For God, everyone is valuable. In God, no one goes unnoticed. Jesus looked for everyone. It is up to us then if we let ourselves be found. Sabi sa gospel natin today, it is not the will of your heavenly Father that one of these little ones be lost. We are reminded of the story of Saint Juan Diego, a man deemed insignificant by the world but blessed by the opportunity to see the Mother of God. Tinawag ng Diyos ang isang ordinaryong tao upang maging halimbawa sa lahat na ang kabanalan ay walang pinipiling lahi. Those willing to be instruments of God made their impact because of their humble origins and intense love. Believe that God has chosen you, insignificant as you are, for a mission to serve Him. Ikaw, handa ka bang maging daluyan ng mensahe ng Diyos? G ka ba?